In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to Microsoft To Do from Outlook. We live in a busy world where managing our daily tasks efficiently can dramatically impact our productivity and peace of mind. Microsoft To Do and Outlook are fantastic tools that, when used together, can help streamline your workflows and keep your day organized. So, let's dive into how you can add tasks to Microsoft To Do directly from Outlook. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft To Do website. You'll be greeted by the welcome page of To Do. Here, you're just a step away from accessing a world where keeping track of your tasks becomes as easy as pie. Look for the sign in button and give it a click. This is your gateway to syncing your Microsoft services and ensuring that your tasks flow seamlessly between Outlook and Microsoft To Do. A window will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account details. This is a crucial step because it links your To Do account with the vast Microsoft ecosystem, enabling a smooth transition of tasks across platforms. Proceed to type in your email. Make sure it's the email associated with your Microsoft account. This detail is essential for the integrity and privacy of your data across Microsoft services. As you enter your email, embrace the sense of anticipation. You're about to unlock a synergy between Outlook, and to do that will elevate your task management game. After entering your email, click on Next. This takes you close to bridging the gap between your email and task list. The next screens will guide you through the usual sign-in process, including password entry and any two-factor authentication you have set up. Microsoft prides itself on security, ensuring your tasks and emails stay private and accessible only to you. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the internet version of To Do by visiting the direct link provided. This action brings you to a familiar environment if you've used To Do before, but with the added magic of integration capabilities looming on the horizon. Look for the mail icon that's promisingly waiting for your click. This icon isn't just a simple shortcut to your emails, it signifies the deep integration between Microsoft To Do and Outlook. By clicking on it, you're propelled into the Outlook interface. But here's the kicker: thanks to the seamless integration, any task you add here can automatically find its way into your to-do list. It's a beautiful symphony of productivity tools working in harmony, ensuring that no task, no matter how small, gets left behind in the hustle and bustle of your day. This integration marvel means that as you sift through your emails in Outlook deciding on action items, you can quickly add them as tasks in Microsoft To Do. It's about breaking down the barriers between communication and task management. No more flipping between apps, no more losing track of what needs to be done. Everything you need to stay on top of your game is now interconnected, streamlining your workflow like never before. But here's an additional tip to enhance your experience. Once you've added a task from Outlook to Microsoft To Do, take a moment to categorize it. Microsoft To Do offers an array of features like lists, steps, and tags that can help you organize your tasks more effectively. By categorizing your tasks right from the get-go, you're setting yourself up for a more organized and less overwhelming task management experience. And remember, the beauty of this integration isn't just in adding tasks, it's about syncing your priorities across platforms. As you update tasks in Microsoft To Do, those changes reflect in Outlook, ensuring coherence and saving you the hassle of updating tasks in multiple places. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to add to Microsoft To Do from Outlook, making your task management efforts more productive and less stressful. Embrace this integration and take a step forward in mastering your daily tasks with the efficiency and ease that this Microsoft synergy provides. Happy organizing, and stay tuned for more productivity hacks and tips to make your digital life effortlessly manageable.